Have you ever been out in the wilderness, hiking or camping, and suddenly realized you don't have the tool you need? Whether you're trying to cut the rope, start a fire, or open a can of food, having the right tool on hand can make all the difference. When you're out and about, you never know what kind of situations you might encounter. You might need to open a bottle, tighten a screw, or even cut a piece of rope. That's why you need a tool that can handle anything life throws your way. Introducing the PICHI X2 EDC Multi-Tool. This compact tool is packed with features, making it the perfect companion for anyone on the go. Whether you're a handyman, an outdoor enthusiast, or just someone who likes to be prepared, the PICHI X2 has got you covered. With its built-in bottle opener, you can easily pop open a cold one with friends after a long day of work or exploring the city. And with its sturdy construction, you won't have to worry about it breaking after a few uses. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed a tool but didn't have one on hand? Maybe you're at work, at home, or out on the town. Whatever the case, the TIPEN Tactical EDC tool is here to save the day. This compact and versatile tool is designed to be your constant companion, whether you're at work, at home, or on the go. With its sleek design and durable construction, the TIPEN is the perfect addition to any EDC collection. With its razor-sharp blade, you can easily open packages, cut through cardboard, or slice through the rope. When it comes to EDC tools, who says you have to sacrifice style for functionality? Introducing the Rose Gold Tactical EDC Tool, the perfect blend of fashion and function. This elegant tool is packed with features, making it the perfect companion for anyone who wants to stay prepared without sacrificing style. Whether you're a fashionista, a trendsetter, or just someone who appreciates a touch of luxury, the Rose Gold EDC tool is the perfect addition to your collection. With its built-in bottle opener, you can easily open a bottle of your favorite beverage in style. The rose gold finish is sure to turn heads, and the sturdy construction ensures it won't let you down. But that's not all. The Rose Gold also features a variety of screwdrivers, so you can tighten or loosen screws of all shapes and sizes. And with its compact size, you can easily slip it into your pocket or attach it to your keychain for easy access. When it comes to EDC tools, having a tool that is versatile and easy to carry can make all the difference. Introducing the Clip-It 2.0 Tactical EDC Tool, the perfect companion for anyone who wants a reliable and compact tool for their adventures. This compact tool is designed to be clipped onto your belt or backpack, so you can carry it with you wherever you go. And with its durable construction and wide range of features, the Clip-It 2.0 is the perfect tool for any outdoor adventure. With its sharp blade, you can easily cut through branches, rope, and other materials that might be in your way. And with its serrated edge, you can also saw through thicker materials like wood or plastic. When it comes to camping and outdoor adventures, having a reliable EDC tool is essential. Introducing the Titanier Tactical EDC Tool, the perfect tool for anyone who wants a durable and versatile tool for their adventures. This sturdy tool is designed to withstand even the toughest outdoor conditions. With its solid titanium construction and wide range of features, the Titanier is the perfect tool for any outdoor enthusiast. With its sharp blade, you can easily chop through branches and logs, making it the perfect tool for building a fire. And with its serrated edge, you can also saw through thicker materials like rope or leather. But that's not all. The Titanier also features a variety of screwdrivers, so you can tighten or loosen screws of all shapes and sizes. And with its compact size, you can easily slip it into your pocket or attach it to your gear for easy access. And with its built-in can opener and pry bar, the Titanier is perfect for any situation. Whether you're on a camping trip, a hike, or just need a reliable tool for everyday use, the Titanier has got you covered.